What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and I want to show you a new product. You remember last year I invented RGB COB strips. They're only 4 millimeters wide. Well, I couldn't stop at that, so I had to make 9 more versions. So now, instead of just the regular 6S, we have 6S, we have 3 to 4S, and we got a 5-volt version as well. So pretty much any kind of power needs you want. And then I also increased the length. So originally they were half meters. Now I've got meters and full 5-meter rolls. Perfect for any kind of project you can imagine. Whether you're lighting up a crazy big drone, lots and lots of smaller drones, or your whole RV, or your e-bike, or your mountain board, or your truck, or your vehicle. Lots and lots and lots of options now with all the voltages that you can imagine. As far as drivers go, I've got several options there as well. This is my favorite project-based driver. This is the Bluetooth Wi-Fi adapter. Control it with your cell phone. It comes with this remote, but I don't use the remote. I use my cell phone. There's so many apps on the phone that allow you to set up different patterns and all sorts of fun stuff. Control it at the touch of the button. But for the quadcopter guys, this is what I have been using. I work with Tiny's LEDs to develop these chips. This top one is a single addressable LED zone. It'll allow you to control one strip and one zone. You can actually add up to 5 meters of strips onto this single chip and control it with Betaflight. And it still allows you to daisy chain in additional LEDs using the LED in and LED out pads. You can put up to 32 of them on Betaflight. You want more LEDs? Well, I got you covered there too. These are 4-in-1 adapters. It's basically 4 of this chip on one board. The original version right here was 30 by 30, and the new version is 20 by 20 or breakaway 30 by 30 with bigger solder pads to make your life easier. All the actual chips are on this side of the board, and all your solder work goes on this side of the board. So these would allow you to do 4 independent zones of color. So you want to light each arm up individually, you got that, no problem. Lots and lots of options though. Here's my quad with the solid green. I've still got the single color LEDs. These are super simple to install. No advanced wiring. These just take positive and negative. You can see I'm running them all directly off of 6S batteries. You can wire them straight to your ESC, get full battery voltage to them. The whole idea behind these is you don't need a regulator. I don't want your LEDs sitting on a regulator where if you were to crash and short out an LED, you'd blow the 5-volt regulator, and then that would cost you a flight controller or cause you to fall out of the sky. This way, everything's running on VBAT and you have no worries. But get them at the only place that makes them, flyhighfpv.com. Remember, I invented this. Anybody else you see trying to do this, purely imitators. Get them from the original, Fly High FPV.